how to withdraw money from Forex trading account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, log into your account, and after that on the top left hand side corner you will be able to find the option of transfers. Just simply hover around your cursor on it and then you will be able to find the option of withdraw funds. Just select it, and after that you will be redirected to this particular screen. Over here you need to select the option of withdrawal method, and in this method you can select bank transfers, Visa Direct, or any other option according to your needs and requirements. So in our case I will select Visa Direct. After that type the amount, and also you need to click on the option of add card details. Now you need to fill all the card details of your bank according to the option of your payment method. After that, make sure that you save the card before you submit. So after saving the card, just click on submit. Now a confirmation email has been sent on your email address. So just open up your email address and there you will be able to find the option of confirm. Just simply click on it, and this way it will ask you to log in again. Now just log in again to your Forex trading account, and this way you would be able to confirm your transfer or withdrawal, and after that you will be able to withdraw the money to your bank account. And this is how you withdraw money from your Forex trading account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.